I'm going to be making a chive scramble. In this recipe, I use chives that I got from the UW farm. What you're going to be needing is 3 eggs, about 4 mushrooms, the equivalent about 3/4 a cup of chives, some black pepper and salt to taste, and optionally some cheese. You're going to want to start off by chopping your chives to small pieces. Next, you're going to want to cut the mushrooms in half and then slice them. Next, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add your salt and pepper to taste, and then mix thoroughly. Next, you're going to want to preheat your pan. Once the pan is hot, add about a tablespoon of oil into the pan, and then when the oil is hot, add in your mushrooms. Sautee those until they're cooked down. Next, you can add in your eggs. Keep moving the eggs so that the eggs don't stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. Add in your chives shortly after, and fold those into the eggs. Keep mixing this until your eggs are entirely cooked, and keep trying to avoid having eggs stick to the bottom of the pan. Once your eggs are finished, turn off the heat, and if you want to add cheese, now is when you would do that. If you get your chives from a farmer's market or pick them yourself, you'll find that they might have these purple flowers. These flowers are edible and taste like chives and make a really good garnish. To remove them from the stem, you simply pick off the little flowers from the center stem area. Finish with your chive flowers. And that is how you make a chive scramble.